Unit for math is all about shapes and polygons. Polygon, which is written right here, is a new vocabulary term that we're going to go over today and continue to learn about for the next few lessons. So when we look at this paper, we have some examples of what a polygon is and some examples of what a polygon is not. I want you to look at this and try to come up with what you think all these three shapes have in common that's different from these three. So if you want to pause the video and write it down, or you can say it out loud. When we look at these shapes, something that I notice is that they're all straight lines. Here, every single line is a straight line. This is not a polygon because it has a curved line. So polygons all have all straight lines. Another thing that I notice about these three polygons that I don't see in all of these, right here we can see this shape has all straight lines, but it's open. This shape is not a polygon because it's open. Polygons need to be closed shapes. But these three are closed, so why are these three not polygons? They all have straight lines. They're all closed shapes. What do you notice about these three polygons? Take some time to think about it. What I notice about these two polygons, this one and this one, they're actually two shapes. Here, they overlap right in the middle. Polygons cannot overlap lines. This kind of looks like the timer that we use when we take a break in the hallway or at the reflection space. This is not a polygon because the lines we say intersect, or overlap. Here too, we have a completely closed shape and then a second completely closed shape. We can only have one shape. So the reason this shape is not a polygon is because there's this extra line here, which actually makes this shape not closed. If it was closed, it would have to have a line connecting these two parts, but then again, this line would have to be removed. Let's make sure that all of these shapes are polygons based on the list that we came up with. So, all have straight lines. All of these lines are completely straight. None of them are curved. All of these lines are straight. All of these lines are straight. They are closed. There are no openings here. The shape is connected. We can keep going on and on and on without lifting up our pen or pencil or moving our finger from the mouse. Same thing here, completely closed. Same thing, completely closed, no open space. The lines cannot intersect. Here, our lines don't intersect. They continue going. Same thing, don't intersect. No intersecting or overlapping. And there's only one shape. Here, I would call this a star. There's only one shape that's here. This would be a square. This is what we would call an irregular polygon. If you think about the word regular, meaning kind of normal. This is a star. We would see a star. We know what a star is. We can label it. This is a square. We can label it. We have a name for it. It's regular. This would be an irregular polygon. Our job today is going to be to decide if the shapes are polygons or not polygons. Remember the list of things that we came up with to decide if a shape is a polygon or not a polygon. So you're going to look at these shapes and decide, is this a polygon? Does it meet our requirements? Or is it not a polygon? If it's not, you can also add in some reasons why you think it's not a polygon.